Hey, it's Drew
and Braylon,
here from Rocks and Roots.
and we're here to show you the Easy Pro submersible magnetic 400 gallon per hour pump. All right, let's unbox it. So here you have the actual pump with the cord.
And then you have a bunch of little pieces.
You have some extenders, or these make the diameter different lengths in case you want more or less pressure. Then you have some finish go on top to make it with different effects when on top of the pump. You see here, and just some more pieces here. And then it also comes with directions.
This pump is made for ponds, fountains, and waterfalls.
The motor in this pump is epoxy filled, so it has no oil to come out, so it is safe for fish and plants.
Another great thing about this product that I love is that it has a 3-year warranty.
This comes with a washable foam pre-filter, so you can take this off and wash it. And also, you could just put it back on, because anything that's going to come through and be small enough to fit through the sides will come up and out through here, so you don't need to worry about that.
The last feature we're going to talk about is how that it has the ability to shoot up to 10 feet in the air.
10 feet?
Yes,
It's
10
crazy.
feet.